Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Crosswinds Motel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. This Rehoboth Beach Motel is just a 10-minute walk from the beach and boardwalk. It features free Wi-Fi access. The Tanger Factory Outlet Center is 2 miles away. Crosswinds Motel features a flat-screen TV with HBO channels, refrigerator, and iPod dock in every guest room. They are decorated in bright colors and wood furnishings. Dogfish Head Brewery and Restaurant and the Cultured Pearl Restaurant and Sushi Bar are both just steps from the Rehoboth Crosswinds. Summer concerts at the Rehoboth Beach Bandstand are a 10-minute walk from the motel. The Rehoboth Beach Museum is a 5-minute walk away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.